Hi traders, I would like to welcome you to this market overview, and we are in a period which is very interesting, and it is very significant. I would like to start with equities market, and we'll take a look about S&P 500 equity index, and we can see that we are in a downward channel. Maybe some of you don't see this, but I will try to draw it, and you will get the picture. Where are we, and where are we heading? Okay, and this is a parallel downward channel. Maybe some of you would say, yeah, but this isn't the top. But look at the 4-hour chart, and you can see that there are candles which are small, and RSI is overbought. Let me just adjust it to 13. Okay, here we go. It's at 13, and on a 240 minutes time frame, we can see that we are entering an overbought zone in RSI, and we can see that we have this simple moving averages squeeze. Something big is going to happen, and it may be this move down to test the downward channel lower line. If we look at this big picture on a weekly time frame, we can see that we are bumping off this line, but we can see that this is a flat top. We don't have higher highs. We actually do have higher lows on a weekly time frame, and on a monthly time frame we can see that we have one doji and a second one forming. It may be a very shadow forming because we have another week to trade in this month, and it would be very interesting. We can move now to currencies market. We can see these yen pairs. Basically, maybe you don't know, maybe you do, that dollar yen is going higher, and it's testing 103 level, but more interesting maybe would be pound yen. If we chose these yen pairs, we can see, let me move this, we can see that pound yen is forming some kind of triangle, a long upward trend line has been tested 1, 2, 3 times, and price went higher. But if you look at the daily closes, we have lower lows, and especially at this trend line, downward trend line. So we are expecting a reaction at 173 level, and we are expecting a down move, especially because of before mentioned equity markets, because if you are long yen, then you are basically shorting equities markets in the term of a currency exchange. So be patient, wait and see what would be the reaction at 173 level at this line. If it is a pin bar like this, then that is not a question that we would go short, and for sure we will go short because we want to be short equities in currency terms. Another look at this potential risk-off market, like we do said in equities, is commodities, and we choose commodities currencies, and we choose Kiwi dollar because it's going way out of this structure, wedge structure he has. Okay, we will look at the weekly and find the wedge we are looking for. Not in the weekly. Let's look. We can draw this support line here, and it's a big support line here, but it's also a resistance line where we could get a reaction of this bearish engulfing candle we get on weekly, so we are expecting down move to this area of 850 on Kiwi, and test of this support line for trend continuation, or resistance line for a bigger move down, for a bigger correction, all the way down here. You can see, we can draw this as a trend line all the way down here. It is somewhere near 8.3 on Kiwi dollar, and we are expecting this week New Zealand National Bank decision about interest rates, and we will see what is going to happen. If we scale back to 4-hour time frame, 240 minutes, we could see that this is clearly a downtrend line, and above this level our stop losses may be a little bit higher, but for some of you who want to risk less and get a good risk reward, we can place a stop loss here at 8624 or 863 even, and we can see in today's trading that New Zealand dollar is going lower and is going to test these lows which was hit on Friday. So be aware of the current trend in the market. Be aware of that equities market are, if we look at this channel, are at exhaustion period, because we have also downward channel in RSI, and we are not expecting another highs in equity. On the contrary, we are expecting another low and a test of this line, test of 1,800 points of S&P 500 index, and a bigger correction down if we break this line. So be aware. Happy trading, happy hunting for pips and profits if you're a currency or equities trader, and please take a visit to forextraining.com web presentation. Please look at this offer and subscribe. Contact us, mail us. You can find me on Twitter, AlexFX, and you can ask me whatever you want. So that's it for now. Goodbye and trade well.